Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm going to show you today's craft. You would have seen so many of these in your house. From next time, don't throw this. We can make a pop-up animals with these. So today I'm doing frog. First, I made a sketch of it. Hope it's look like a frog. So I'll just cut it out, and then we will color it and we will glue it together to see how it works. Meanwhile, I'm making a glue gun ready so that we can stick this to the. We can make a small fold like this here on this side, like this and this, so that it looks like a froggy. Now we take the glue gun and to the white portion of it, not to this, to the inner part of this, we have to glue the cutout. Take a little glue, so then add this to the tip of it, like this. This. So now I can show you how it goes. Like this, we can have fun with our kids. We can also make different butterfly. I just hand drew the butterfly. We will just color it with different shades, and we can use also color pencils or sketch pens. Now I'm using the paint. We can take different colors and combinations. Now I'm taking these paints, so I made like this, and then I stick the opener like this. Let's see how it works. So
Papa.